How to find your Cash App barcode to deposit paper money at Walgreens. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to find your Cash App barcode to deposit paper money at Walgreens. Open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, make sure you go to the bottom menu and tap on the Bank or Balance icon. This will take you to your Cash App Money section, where you will see different options that are related to money. From there, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach this part where there is a section named Add Money. Under the section, there are more options, as you can see here. From those options, tap on this one named Deposit Paper Money. Once you do that, this page appears that has all the deposit locations near you. Go ahead and tap on the one you prefer. After that, a menu pops up from the bottom of the screen. The menu has several different options, as you can see here. From them, the one we need is this one here, Show Barcode. As you can see here, Cash App allows you to deposit cash using a barcode at participating stores with a minimum deposit of $5 per transaction and a maximum of $500 per transaction, with a total limit of $1,000 within 7 days and $4,000 within 30 days. Cash App typically charges a $1 flat fee per cash deposit, and each barcode is time-limited and can only be used once, meaning you must generate a new barcode for each deposit. So, go ahead and ask the cashier to scan your barcode. The transaction will then be finalized, as you can see here. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to find your Cash App barcode to deposit paper money at Walgreens.